welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I posted here onto YouTube, so I thought we could spend a productive day together. I wanted to share some of my goals with you that I plan on doing today. The first thing is getting in my 6 miles. I usually walk 5 to 6 miles a day, as well as having mostly nutritious meals today. I also want to study a little bit for my NCLEX, and I also do want to do some shopping. I also want to go to Starbucks and get some new walking shoes, because if I show you guys what my shoes look like, actually not, let me show you right now. So they're so gross, so I'm gonna pick up a new pair. And let me show you one of my favorite spots to go on my walks. Guys, I made it through my 3 miles. Now it's time to go home. Hey, so I made it back home. I'm going to make a nutritious lunch. Let me show you guys what I'm having. Just sauteed some onions, and now I'm going to cook some beef, some onion powder, pepper, salt, With trying to stay healthy, this is usually what I try to eat. I added in some broccoli, some more spices, but this will probably last me anywhere from 3 to 4 days. Usually, sometimes I like to add the Thai-inspired sweet chili on my food. So before leaving, I thought it'd be smart to put a cap on how much I could spend today. So my goal is to not spend more than $250. That's my goal. And let's go see what we could do with that. My first stop is Dick's Sporting Goods. The first thing I want to get is a new pair of shoes, or maybe one workout top. But let's see if I could keep my word. I usually do, so let's go with that in mind.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me.
A lot of the shoes are not in my size, so I'm just gonna go with another 880. And I think this is cute. I like these. I got the goods. Yay, I got my shoes. At least now I won't have to worry about shoes. Look at the difference between my shoes. So this is the newer 880 that I got. It's cute. She's so cute. And then this is my old one. They're so cute. Okay. I'm happy with my purchase. But I was also thinking that maybe I could use my old one for the trail, and then maybe my new shoes for going to the gym. I don't know. overall, today was a successful, productive day. Now I'm going to shower, relax, and go to sleep.